Hi guys, this is Zsolt. In today's video I'm going to do, well, let's not call it like a deep cleaning, but like a more extensive cleaning of the car. First I'm going to cover it with some pre-wash foam, then I let it sit a bit, then I rinse it, then I'm going to cover it again with foam, then I'm going to do a contact wash, then I rinse the car. After that I'm going to cover it with a bit of rinseless wash, then I'm going to use some iron fallout remover and a clay towel, or a synthetic decontamination towel rather. And after that I rinse the car again, then I cover it with water spot remover, I rinse and then dry, and we'll see what's going on. Let's roll.
Get this party started. I got the music playing loud. How you like my outfit? I have to say I'm kinda proud. I got my dancing shoes on and I'm feeling dangerous. Let's get this party started. Yeah, we gon' be adventurous. We went to the club like we always do. This girl caught my eye, said, how do you do? She said, I am not interested, thank you. Then she left the room. Bartender. I'll have the usual. Give me the usual. I'll take the usual. I'll have the usual. Give me the usual. Another usual. Up. Nothing's wrong with me yet, but maybe this bow tie was too much. I just have to be cool, looking like I'm Clint Eastwood. Ain't the bad or ugly, my mama said that I'm the good. We went to the club like we always do. This girl caught my eye, said, how do you do? She said, I am not interested, thank you. Then she left the room. Bartender. I'll have the usual. Give me the usual. I'll take the usual. I'll have the usual. Give me the usual. Another usual.
All right, boys and girls, that was the more or less, like, let's call it like a deep-ish cleaning. I have to say that it was in the need of it, because with the clay towel or the synthetic decontamination towel, I could feel that there was some sort of contamination on the bottom of the panels. So it helped to remove, together with the iron fallout remover. I suppose the iron fallout remover also removed some contamination or some iron fallout, but the biggest result was after the water spot remover, because the water beading came back more or less, not as a brand new, not as for a brand new coating, but it was, or it is considerably better than it was before. So, but anyway, at some point I will need to get rid of this ceramic coating that I have on it, because I want to put on something else. Also, I've got some very tiny or very narrow wash marks from obviously washing so many times and with so many things I tried on. So I will need to polish it as well. And yeah, but other than that, the result is considerably better than it was before. And that concludes the video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and press the notification bell so you're not going to miss any of my upcoming videos. I'd like to say a big thank you for your time and catch you on the next one. Bye-bye.